In the elite world of finance, where high-stakes decisions are made every millisecond, there's a new heavyweight contender: artificial intelligence. Forget the images of bustling trading floors with shouting brokers. The next titan of hedge funds may just be a silent algorithm. For decades, hedge funds have been the epitome of exclusivity, and their strategies a closely guarded secret. Today, however, there's a buzzword echoing through their marble-clad hallways: AI. The fascination is understandable. AI promises to process vast amounts of data at incomprehensible speeds, identifying patterns and opportunities that the human mind might overlook. But how exactly does AI do it? Traditional hedge funds analyze trends, geopolitics, and economic indicators. But AI-driven hedge funds? They consume data. Everything from satellite imagery of store parking lots to gauge company sales, to the tone of a CEO's voice during an earnings call. Such granular data points, once seen as insignificant, are now gold mines. AI isn't just looking at the stock market, it's studying weather patterns to predict commodity prices, parsing social media sentiment to gauge stock popularity, and even monitoring shipping traffic to predict global trade flows. With AI, hedge funds have eyes and ears everywhere and in real time. This massive data crunching isn't without its perks. It results in faster trades, and in the world of finance, even a millisecond advantage can mean millions. Plus, with AI, emotional trading is a thing of the past. No panic sells, no gut feelings, just cold hard calculations. However, critics are cautious. They point out that finance isn't just about numbers, it's about human behavior. And can algorithms truly predict human unpredictability? Also, as more hedge funds turn to similar AI tools, the edge that AI offers might diminish. If everyone is armed with the same super-powered AI, does anyone truly have an advantage? But there's another facet to this AI revolution: ethics. In a realm now governed by algorithms, there's a pressing need to ensure these systems are transparent, unbiased, and in compliance with regulations. We've seen what unchecked algorithms can do in other spheres. The financial world can't afford such mistakes. There are also concerns about job displacements. As algorithms become traders, what happens to the traditional brokers? As with any revolution, there will be winners and losers. The key is ensuring a smooth transition and harnessing AI's capabilities for the broader good. So, as the lines between Silicon Valley and Wall Street blur, one thing's for certain: the future of hedge funds is not just about financial acumen, it's about technological prowess. And as we stand on the cusp of this new era, it's exhilarating to think about the possibilities. Yet, one question lingers. In a world where AI is the new kingpin of finance, what becomes of human intuition? Only time will tell. Before we wrap up, if this deep dive into the AI-driven world of hedge funds fascinated you, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want to be part of this riveting journey, exploring the intersections of technology and finance, make sure to subscribe. Your thoughts and perspectives matter to us, so drop a comment below, sharing what you think about AI's role in reshaping the financial landscape. Hedge fund money, follow the big money.